On behalf of Her Eminence, Sakya Trizin Chimiluding Rinpoche, and all the students of Sakya Kachod Choling Retreat Center, we are overjoyed that His Holiness Gyanavajra Rinpoche has been enthroned as the 43rd Sakya Trizin. In accordance with the words of Norchen Kungazangpo, we offer this aspiration. May the sole source of happiness among beings, the omniscient conqueror's precious teachings, never decline in any place or at any time, but flourish and spread to the farthest reaches of the world. May those who possess boundless wisdom and love, who cherish the conqueror's teachings more dearly than life itself, the gurus and spiritual guides who are without equal, enjoy a long, extensive span of life. May those who reveal to beings the noble path of virtue, and who devote themselves to teaching and practice, the Sangha of Dharma practitioners, steadily endure, and may their activity extend in every direction.
On behalf of Khenpo, the monks, and Sangha members of Sakya Monastery, Seattle, we wish to congratulate you, Your Holiness, Gyanavajra Rinpoche, on your enthronement as the 43rd Sakya Trizin.
We wish for you, Your Holiness Sakya Trizin, excellent good fortune in all your Dharma activities, and may they be as vast as space.
We pray that the Buddhas and Bodhisattvas bless you with long life and good health.
And may all your aspirations be fulfilled.
Congratulations, Your Holiness, Gyanavajra Rinpoche.
Congratulations to Your Holiness, the 43rd Sakya Trizin Rinpoche, on your enthronement as the 43rd Sakya Trizin. From your devoted disciples at Sakya Phuntsok Ling in Silver Spring, Maryland, in the suburbs of Washington, D.C., Khenpo Khalsan Gyaltsen, Spiritual Director. May your holy life be long, and all your activities flourish.
Your Holiness Gyanavajra Rinpoche, best wishes and prayers from Sakya Samten Ling, Sakya Centre in West Los Angeles. We are very excited about your enthronement as the 43rd Sakya Trizin.
Sakya Centres was founded in 2010 by Lama Champa, and in 2018 we were visited by His Holiness Sakya Trizin Rinpoche, who gave the initiation of White Saraswati and gave Shimpa Zidral. And also that same year, the 42nd Sakya Trizin visited and gave Guru Rinpoche initiation and blessed our centre.
Please come as soon as you can and transmit the Sakya teachings to us.